Because my papa dey in control. I know it's fellow, he is more than able. Oh. Because my daddy dey for him throne. Observe my life, oh, see the way I know. Because I'm under the umbrella. Now God get on up for me, it's more than able. Oh. Because I'm under the umbrella. Now God get on up for me, it's more than able. Oh. Because my papa dey in control. I know it's fellow, he is more than able. Oh. Because my daddy did for him throne. Observe my life, oh, see the way I know. Because I'm under the umbrella. Now God get on up for me, it's more than able. Oh. Because I'm under the umbrella. Now God get on up for me, it's more than able. Oh. Because I'm under the umbrella. Now God get on up for me, it's more than able.
Good day, our viewers. We are the pupils of Basic 2 Blossom class. We are here to present on DNA.
To begin with, the full meaning of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a blueprint recipe book for our cells. It is made up of 4 special building blocks called nucleotides.
Representation: adenine, red; thymine, orange; guanine, green; cytosine, yellow.
Using the 2 colors, alanine and thymine are chemically combined. Also, guanine and cytosine are chemically combined.
Basic pairing: adenine pair with thymine. Also, guanine pair with cytosine. Building the DNA ladder: pair up adenine and thymine and pair up guanine and cytosine. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Because I'm under